Hey everybody, in this video I'm gonna be showing you guys how to get unlimited storage with OpenAI's ChatGPT 4.0 for free. So with that being said guys, let's get started with today's video. The first step is to create an OpenAI account. Sign up for a free account on the OpenAI website if you haven't already. This will give you access to ChatGPT and its features. The following step is to access ChatGPT, log in into your OpenAI account, and navigate to the ChatGPT interface. Ensure that you're using the latest version available. The third step is to utilize chat history. Enable the chat history feature to save your conversations. This allows you to refer back to previous interactions without losing any data. Check your settings to ensure that it's turned on. The second last step is to export conversations. Periodically export your conversations by copying and pasting them into a document or using any built-in export feature if available. This helps you keep a record of your chats for future reference. The last step is to use external storage solutions for unlimited storage. Consider using cloud storage services like Google Drive or Dropbox to save your exported conversations. This way, you can organize and access your data without limitations. By following the steps, you can effectively manage and store your interactions with ChatGPT for free. So yeah, guys, this is how you do it. If you found this video to be helpful, then consider subscribing. With that being said, guys, I'll see you in the next video very soon. Peace.